Hey, STEM stars! I am Gigi. Today we are going to explore a very fun thing, magnets. Look at this. This small thing pulls things toward itself like magic. Oh, the clips got stuck, but this coin and toy did not attract at all. Why so?
Magnets only attract certain metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt.
Aha! That means not everything is attracted by a magnet. It works only with special metals. Look, friends, a magnet has two ends, north and south. When same sides meet, they push, and when opposite sides meet, they stick.
Magnets are used everywhere. Trains, compasses, motors, even fridge magnets.
Wow, that means magnets are not only in toys, they work a lot in our daily life.
You can measure magnet strength? How many clips it can lift tells you how strong it is.
Exactly, meaning the more clips it can lift, the stronger the magnet is. Now your turn. Take magnets at home and check which things get attracted and which don't. Then see, can you make your own mini magnet test? Next time we will learn an amazing science trick, how an egg floats in water. Let's go, STEM stars! Subscribe with Glee Gather and explore more STEM adventures. Next episode, Floating Egg Experiment.